Hello, and this is Lena. Welcome to how to create something. I'm this one I'm doing icon picture because a lot of people don't know how to do icon pictures or the GFE ones or whatever. So this is just a quick run through of how to do it using PhotoScape. This is what I use, and a couple of other people use it too, but they just never used it for icon pictures, so I'm just gonna show them. Blah blah blah. But basically, generally, you do this with any photo editing software, I think. So you go to editor right here. I already have pictures already done, so I'm just gonna pick something random. I'm trying to see if I have something that I could put a background and all that stuff on. Let me see. Actually, okay, yeah, I do. Okay, so this is just gonna be something random right here. So trying to find. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna click. Oh, these are already sized. So this is already edited pretty much. So what I'm gonna do is basically resize it. This doesn't have a background, I don't think. So I'm just gonna click resize. Usually you press bloom and sharpen, blah blah blah. But then now you press resize 100. Click here where it says preserve aspect ratio, whatever. Unclick that. And then put 80. 100 times 80. Press OK. And if you want to add another picture, this is just if you want to add another picture, just click on the next picture that you want to do. It's going to say, do you want to save? Plus yes. And basically, I'm just going to do the same thing to this one. 180. Blah, blah, blah. Plus yes. I'm not using that. Now, if you want to press menu, new photo. And you're just going to do the same thing. 100 times 80. If you want to add something like a border or something, put black. Make sure this always stays at 100 times 80. If it goes even over a little bit, like 100 times 81, you won't be able to upload it when it's time to upload. It's going to say it's too big, and you're going to be like, oh, what the fuck. So make sure it says frame 100 times 80. I added like a little border. I'm going to go to filters. Basically, you can use any of these buttons. Just, you know, play around with it. Whatever. I'm going to go to vintage scene, whatever. I'm going to click this. Press OK. I'm just messing around with it. You can add the name. I'm going to put IHL. Obviously, going to make it small. Take off this. This is just self-explanatory, messing with letters and stuff like that. Drag it over. Okay, then you click over here. It says photo. Click photo. Add photo. Okay, yeah, so as you can see, the background is. So when you take your pictures, make sure your background is transparent, or you won't be able to add your own background in your icon. And basically, you press OK. Click over here to put it behind so your name could show up front. And then click save. And remember, this is just a brief run through, so. Oh, wait, hold up. Go back. Yeah. And then save. Now you exit that picture. Add the other picture. Press OK. Move back. Save. If I'm going too fast, I'm sorry. But I'm kind of like, you know, not in a rush, but you know. And then, okay, now you have those two pictures done. Now you go to animated GFE. And then you're going to go to wherever your folder is at and wherever you know, put those pictures that you just did. And you basically drag it over. Make sure your canvas right here is going to say set canvas. Set it, of course, to 100 times 80. Okay. And there's your, well, this is it moving, like if you wanted to do extra stuff, you just add more pictures. If you want to change the time, you can put it at 50, you can put it at 10, you can put it at whatever. That's it, going slow. Now, if you want to change the effects, it can't be no more than 50 MBs or whatever. So what you do, if you want like it to flash or something, you right click on one picture, and like you could put convert to black, and you see it does that. And then of course you put save, and basically that's it. And then you upload it to your product page or whatever. And that's basically it. If you add in more than one picture, you cannot basically use no effects really, because I don't know why, I haven't really done it. But when I use like 4 or 5 pictures, I just use the regular effect. But if I'm using 2 pictures, then I do like convert to white or convert to black. And then basically you just save it, blah, blah, blah. Go to Imvu, upload your file. When it goes to pictures, blah, blah, blah. And that is basically it. I hope I didn't go too fast, because most of it is self-explanatory. The buttons are there, so just use them. Enjoy!